Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Tonmoy. Today I will make an unboxing of Realme 6i. So let's start. Here is its first impression. I am very much excited. But at first, if you are first in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Here it is. Very similar box. We all know Realme comes in yellow box. Welcome to Realme family. And at first you will get a greyish black cover. It's okay. I think it's a decent quality. Some documents you can look at it later. And this is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside. We will look what we have here. We have a 20-watt hook charger. It comes with 20-watt fast charging and a USB Type-C cable. Alright, let's keep everything aside. Friends, if you remember, it is a lighter version of Realme 6. Some things are too similar. I'll talk about everything. Let's look at the phone. We have got a black shiny back and it is the plainest black design from Realme. Realme says it's Eclipse black design. I will tell you one thing. It looks rich, but back is plastic. If you want to know about in-hand feel, then I will say it feels good. It just fits right in my hand. And in case of weight, it's about 190 grams. Feels pretty good and steady in hand. Let's put the phone into its cover to avoid any type of accident. Now friends, let's look into the ports and buttons. 3.5mm jack, microphone, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. In right hand side, you will get side mounted fingerprint sensor, which if you double tap, it will work as power on off button. It don't have any noise cancellation microphone in upper side. And in the left hand side you will get SIM card tray plus volume up down button. The SIM card tray is, yes, it has a dedicated SD card slot, triple card slot. Okay, now let's start the phone. Let's see what is inside. After starting the phone, the first thing which I noticed that there is no banned apps. It's clean. No banned apps. Thumbs up to Realme. Clean Master also have been cleared. There is some pre-installed apps, but you can uninstall them according to your needs. Now let's talk about display. There is 6.51-inch FHD plus IPS display with 90Hz first refresh rate. Bezels are very thin. It's a very manageable phone with 6.5-inch display. And in case of 90Hz refresh rate, it manages automatically its refresh rate. For example, when you play games, it will switch to 90Hz, and when you use the phone for normal tasks, it will come to 60Hz. But I will tell you one thing, you can manually switch its refresh rate whatever you want. Now about OS, Realme UI comes with Android 10. After this, now about Specifications. This comes same as Realme 6, same processor. It has Helio G90T optimized for gaming. In case of storage, it comes in two variants: 4GB RAM, 64GB storage in 12,999 and 6GB RAM, 64GB storage in 14,999. This is 664. If I talk about battery, it comes with 4300 mAh battery with 20 watt fast charging in the box, but phone can support up to 30 watt fast charging. All the sensors are okay. Fingerprint sensor is also okay. Fast unlock. Face unlock also quite fast. And other security features like L1. We have checked the SAR value and yes, they are within limits. So, in case of features, all features are here. Let's talk about performance. As the processor is G90T, so it's a very good processor for gaming. We have tested it. RAM is LPDDR4X, so it is good for gaming under 15,000 price. You can play PUBG in HDR and high settings, COD Mobile in high and very high settings, Fortnite in medium to high settings. We had played all types of games and didn't notice such kind of frame drops. But I have to tell you this, G90T is known for slight heating issue. If your gaming session is about 45 minutes to 1 hour, then definitely your phone will heat up. So keep that in mind. Let's talk about camera. It has 48 megapixel primary camera with Samsung sensor. Secondary sensor is 8 megapixel wide angle lens. The third one is 2 megapixel macro lens, and finally you will have a black and white lens basically used for portrait. And in front there is 16 megapixel punch hole selfie camera. Now friends, I'll show you some photos on the screen. These are my first impression. You tell me in your comments, how do you like these photos? If I say about my first impression, then in normal light condition, pictures are good. Dynamic range is also good. So, decent camera. Finally friends, I really like this phone. The first thing I really like about it that Realme has quickly took the action and removed all the banned apps. Yes, there is no such banned apps here. And performance? Seriously. In 13,000, 4GB RAM 64GB storage is really a best performing phone. 6GB RAM 64GB storage in 15,000 is also the best gaming phone in this price segment. And yes, friends, I want to tell you another thing. Made in India is written on the box. It has been assembled in India and not been imported from China. So, if you have any questions about Realme 6i, please ask in comment section. Okay friends, this is for today. We will meet at next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.